Hi everyone, this is Sinyoung from Lemore Beauty. Thank you for tuning in. Before we start, prep your clean skin with your favorite facial oil, serum, cream, or moisturizer. You want to make sure your tool glides smoothly without dragging or tugging. As you may know, not all Gua Sha tools are created equally. Some are made with low-quality materials, some are poorly crafted, some are oddly shaped, some are either too heavy or too light, and some have a rough texture that can irritate your skin. That's why we offer our premium Obsidian Gua Sha Tool at lemorebeauty.com. Use special code LemoreBeauty for 10% off with complimentary US shipping. And we've got your back with our 100% satisfaction guarantee. Try it and feel the difference. Without much ado, let's begin. Two-pronged edge for cheek muscle activation and lift, light to medium pressure. Also known as zygomaticus muscle. Apply gentle acupressure as shown to stimulate circulation and improve skin elasticity. Great for lifting and defining your cheeks. This will help you breathe better and your smile will look more attractive. Let go expectations of how it should be or what it should look like, and just show up as you are. Switch. Let's do the other side. As we lift up our cheeks here, you will also notice that your smile lines will look less noticeable. Relaxing our temporalis muscle here. Open up your body and come back to your breath. Lift up your lip corners slightly throughout the day to look younger instantly. You will feel happier too. Shoulders back and down, your spine nice and straight. Release. This edge for lower facelift in two sections, light to medium pressure. About 45-degree angle to your skin. This offers great anti-aging benefits against gravity and sagging. The outer layer. You will notice more lifted and more plump cheeks. Also great for smoothing the wrinkles around the hollows of the cheeks. Switch. Let's do the other side. The inner layer. Two swipes per section is enough to give you positive benefits without putting too much strain on your joints. The outer layer. You will notice a more youthful looking appearance. Open up your posture, relax your eyes. release. This is a demo using our hands, light to medium pressure, outer and inner layer. Make a balloon face. As you can see, we're going inward, then outward. Posture relaxed and open. When we get to our under eye, be very, very gentle. Alrighty, let's do this together. Outer layer. Inner layer. Gently on your under eye. Shoulders back and down. You will love the results. Bring it in, then out. You got this. Keep going. Inner layer. Your under eye will look less puffy as well. You're getting lots of positive benefits. Release. This is a demo. Gentle fists, light to medium pressure. Gentle upward pressure. Sweep up to your temples, then down towards your heart. Your shoulders back and down as you exhale. Okay, let's do this. Make a balloon face, plumping and lifting your cheeks, giving you lymphatic drainage benefits. Your posture will look better and you will feel better. Open up your body. Let it all go. Here's a bonus because I love you guys. Your skin will look and feel more alive. Sweep up from your jawline and hold. Switch. Let's do the other side. Light, sweeping motions. Sweep up from your jawline and hold. Gently smooth your under eye area. Congrats and cheers, love. If you truly want to see and keep positive results, do this routine once a day. Even once a day makes a big difference. You will notice even more results when you combine it with a holistic lifestyle, such as getting enough quality sleep, eating nourishing foods, moving your body, and incorporating yoga and meditation to develop a healthier relationship with stress. And remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress, no matter how small. So be kind to yourself. If you enjoyed this session, check out our face massages and exercises playlist. If you're ready to upgrade your practice, shop our premium obsidian Gua Sha Tool at lemorebeauty.com. Use special code LemoreBeauty for 10% off with complimentary US shipping. And we've got your back with our 100% satisfaction guarantee. Thank you for your love and support. Much love and stay hydrated.